Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to change your profile picture on Zoom. Updating your primary avatar through the configuration dashboard forces the network to anchor your new image permanently across all active devices. First, move your cursor to the extreme bottom left and click on the gear icon to open your settings dashboard. Look at the left side category list menu, scroll down, and click on My Account. Hover directly over your profile picture, click the pencil icon, and change the picture. Use the System File Browser to select your new image file and click Open. Adjust your picture with the cropping grid to frame your face perfectly inside the box. Click the Save button to permanently lock the image metadata to your user profile. Finally, close the preference screen. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.